Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a big free traffic source that you can use for Digistore24 affiliate marketing. I'm actually talking about social media, but I'm not talking about Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook or any of that. And because this is a social media, that means you can get followers. And followers means guaranteed free traffic. Now in this video, I'm going to show you best practices to get free followers on this social media. In other words, to get free traffic from this social media. Now, first and really important thing is you need to choose your niche, and that niche should be something familiar, something that you know, something that you understand, something that you like, okay? Now, many people, they just go there and just choose some random niche that they don't know anything about. And then when it doesn't work, you come here and you say it doesn't work. Actually, it does work, but you didn't choose the right niche. So guys, please, at least in the beginning, choose the right niche, something that you know, something that you understand, okay? But before we begin, let me show you potential of this website. When you come here on SimilarWeb, you will see that this website is getting more than 180 million monthly visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries, which means this website actually has a huge potential for Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And also when you go here on Ahrefs authority checker, you will see that this website has authority of 94, which is almost maximum authority. And that means if you publish article on this website, you will rank that article on first page on Google. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to actually check potential of that niche. Are there actually any products in that niche that you can promote? Now, to find those products, you can, for example, go here on Digistore24 Marketplace, and let's just say that I'm in dog niche. So here I will simply search for dog, okay? And then press enter. And here I can see, are there any dog-related products that I can promote? Here you can see there are actually dog-related products that I can promote, okay? Also, you can use this not just for Digistore24, you can also find products on any other affiliate network. For example, let's just say I wish to use Amazon. So here, again, I will simply search for dogs. And then here I can see there is lots of dogs-related products that I can actually promote. Now, the website I'm talking about is called Tumblr. Now, you need to register for a free account. After that, you will come to your dashboard, and this is how your dashboard will look. Now, Tumblr is something between social media and blogging platform. Now, as I said, when you go back here on Ahrefs authority checker, you will see that Tumblr has domain authority of 94, which means if you publish an article here on Tumblr and that article is optimized and you build few backlinks, that article will rank high on Google, okay? So this is a good website for affiliate marketing. But how do you actually grow followers? Now, first way to grow followers is to actually go here in search and simply search dogs in this case, okay? And press enter. And here you can see dog related products. And here you can see, for example, notes. Now, notes are likes here on Tumblr. And when you click here, you can actually see people who actually noted or who liked this post. And you can follow these people here, and some of those people will follow you back. So this is basically like on Instagram or Twitter. You follow people and people follow you back, okay? Now, another way is to actually search for hashtags. Here you can see first result is hashtag, and also when you come here you will see that these top posts, they all added hashtags, okay? Hashtags are important on Tumblr, so try to add trending hashtags in your niche. Now, by far best way to actually grow organic followers on Tumblr is to start sharing viral content, okay? So what you need to do, you need to go back here on homepage, and then here you can see text. You can publish articles here on Tumblr, okay? And to publish articles, just click here, and here you can publish article. If you don't know how to write articles, you can simply go here on ChatGPT, and you can tell it to write you an article, and you can publish that article here on Tumblr. You can even add photos, GIFs, links, and so on, and publish that article. And if it is a good article, useful article, people will like it, okay? People will share it, and you will start getting followers. Also, you should share images. viral photos. Simply click here, and here you can see you can upload images or you can share images from internet. Now, what I would suggest to actually go on Instagram and find photos that are going viral here on Instagram. Now, this is the dog related page, and for example, let's just say I wish to download this image. What I can do is I can simply copy this link and I can go back here and I can paste that here, click here on download, give it a few seconds to process this, and I can download this image here, okay, on my desktop. Now Instagram will allow you to re-upload this image on your social media, other social media platforms, as long as you give the credit to the person who actually created the photo. Now, good thing about big and medium-sized Instagram pages is they always give the credit to the person who created this photo. And that is why you should use big and medium-sized Instagram pages to get these images. And then when you download this, all you have to do is just go back here on Tumblr, click here on upload, and then find the image from your desktop and upload that image here on Tumblr. And like I said, always add hashtags. Hashtags are important on Tumblr. Also, what you can do, you can share quotes now. Quotes always works really, really good. So what you can do, you can find good quotes here on Pinterest. So here, for example, I will search for dog quotes, okay? Dog quotes, and then press here. And here you can see there are different kind of dog related quotes. So for example, I just say I wish to use this quote. I will simply right click here, save image, and I will save it on my desktop, and then I will come to this website here, click here on browse, and then I will upload this image. Now this website will automatically, totally free, convert this image into a text, okay? So I don't have to do that manually. I don't have to write this manually, okay? This website will do that automatically. Just give it a few seconds to actually process this. And here you can see it already did it. So all I have to do is just copy this, go back here on Tumblr, and I can paste that here, okay? I need to edit this a bit, okay? Now this actually looks really good. And like I said, I will always add hashtags in your posts. And this is another way. Another really good way is to actually add links, okay? So what you can do, you can simply go. So for example, if you find some really good, really useful article, in this case about dogs, for example, you can find good articles here on medium.com. You can share that link to that article. So for example, I just say, I'll click on this. So all I have to do is just copy this link, go back here on Tumblr and paste that link here, click insert, and that's it. I added the link to this article. You can also add a bit of description, and like I said, always add hashtags, okay? So close this, discard this. And also what you can do, you can add some audios, but that doesn't work that well. Also really, maybe even the best way is to add videos, okay? Again, you can upload videos from your own computer, or you can add videos from different kind of social media. So for example, when I click here, all I have to do is just find good videos, and I can find good videos on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts. So I will simply search here for dogs, press enter, and here I can see most viral dog related shorts, 135 million views. Now this is surely a good video because it got 135 million views. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here, and let me just pause this, okay? And then I can click here on share, for example, and I can copy this link, go back here on Tumblr, paste that link here, click on insert, and that's it. I added this video here, I shared this video on Tumblr. And like I said, always add hashtags. And just click here on post now, and that's it. I will share this link, this video, this YouTube short here on Tumblr, okay? And like I said, if you share viral content, you will start getting followers here on Tumblr, and followers means free traffic. If you do this regularly, if you even combine all of these together, every day you make 4 or 5 posts, trust me guys, you will start getting followers, organic followers here on Tumblr, and you will start getting clicks on your affiliate links, and you will start making sales. Now, for this method, you don't need a website, but I would recommend to actually make your own website and start sending people to your own website where you are promoting your Digistore or Amazon affiliate products. So this is a simple way to get free traffic, okay guys? That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.